Good afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. This is a demonstration of the Scorpion X series immobiliser on this BMW 330. So the Scorpion X is a self-arming immobiliser which arms when you turn the engine off and open the driver's door. So currently the engine's running. I'm going to turn the engine off, open the driver's door, and the indication on this vehicle is two flashes of the main beam light. So you'll see that now. 1, 2, system's armed. If you now try and start it, you will get the vehicle start. When you try and put it into drive, it shuts down the engine, puts it back in park again, and that's system armed. So to put the code in, what you need to do is turn the ignition on without trying to start it. To do that on the BMW, just press this start stop button 3 times quickly. You'll see the ignition lights come on. So 1, 2, 3. That's brought the dash lights back on. Then you need to put your code in on the steering wheel buttons. I won't show you what it is, but when the correct code goes in, you will see the main beam light flash again. So I'm going to put the code in. There you go. You saw the main beam light flash, and then foot on brake, press start stop, engine starts, and you can select drive or reverse as normal. Self-arming automatically. When you open the driver's door, I'll show you that again. 2 flashes, system's armed, so if anyone tries to start it again, it'll start, but when you put it in park, when you take it out of park, it just kills the engine and dumps it back in park again. Thanks for watching. That's Andy from Vehicle Fit with the Scorpion X series CAN bus immobiliser, supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit. 07900 605040. Thank you.